Oh.
So what's coming on?
It looked like a chocolate bar.
Yeah.
First thing, looked like a chocolate bar.
Chocolate bar,
Oh.
some candy, something.
Yeah. Well,
Which tail is this?
Gary Hughes.
Well, hello world and my famous husband that sponsors me on everything. Thanks for letting me do this trip. I'm going to Fairbanks because that's the goal of my lifetime, to visit the land where I was born. And if situations make you happy, this situation makes me very happy. So I love being here. Thanks, Mike. How far you coming?
Keep it rolling, gonna be a sheep one. Be a sheep.
No, but if you dump it, all that, this stuff just breaks off.
Yeah.
The mirror just breaks off and you put a new one on. At a
I mean,
hard-
all that stuff is replaceable, don't you?
Yeah. You break this with this, and you just 2 minutes and you replace.
Well, what's nice is the mirror
he
pops
doing
off,
okay?
and if you don't break
Get the
it,
Harley thing on. Get the Harley Myrtle Beach thing on that.
He wasn't smiling quite as much this morning when I saw him.
Mike's been awful quiet today, hasn't he?
He
You know, his
has.
wife's around.
Yes,
you
I know.
You know why he quieted down
He's
since his
been
wife?
very
He was
reserved.
just jabbering back and forth like that, and his wife's around. He done quieting down.
Do you think that's it?
10 or 12 liter per 100 kilometer. It's not so much. To Vancouver.
Thank you.
From Vancouver, we
Great stuff.
named the little airplane to Smithers. Endurance delivered a new battery.
Yeah, so I haven't seen this vehicle yet. What is it? Have you seen it? What? Martin said it was made in the United States.
I had the puke green camper.
Oh, it's okay.
Yeah.
Mother-in-law
Okay.
had an 84.
Oh, sorry, you say here, eh?
67.
No problem. So you take my picture, I take your picture, eh?
My windsurfer mobile.
Good. But no species, no heat, eh? For you, no heat.
He was over there for 2 years.
Wow.
But sun is what bring you, eh?
Nice. It's been nice.